We all at the ground, yeah.
Hey guys, Carlene here. Welcome to my channel, and it is Carnival 2019, guys. I can't believe it. It's already Carnival, and this season is a particularly long one. This series that I'm basically posting for the next month or so is basically little tips and tricks for those who are looking to do their carnival makeup this year as opposed to getting it done by a makeup artist. It's also to inspire some makeup artists to try and step out of the box with new things. I really hope you like. So if you want to get a look that basically goes from drab to fab like this, you know, please watch my series. For me personally, when I am doing colorful bright looks where I know there's possible fallout in shadows, I tend to do my eyes first and then do my base work after. I know a lot of makeup artists prefer to do base work first and then the eye look, but since we are doing makeup for ourselves, we're not hiring a makeup artist, you know, and you don't feel confident that, you know, you're gonna ace it all the way through. You think you're gonna make some mistakes. My first suggestion to you, do your eyes first and then do your lovely mug. Any white base would work. My fave is the Ambrosia IFX white base. You know, you could use P. Louise if that is something in your budget. That's something I have yet to like try out, but I've been meaning to pick it up and I always keep forgetting. So see, white base, and this would give you basically a PhD in pigmentation, like, and I just slap a little bit on the eye. And folks, don't be afraid to like use your fingers as well to apply the product when you don't want to use too much. A little goes a very long way. You have to try and figure out what colors to use, you know. So if you're wearing a colorful costume, you know, of course, because you're looking to do your own look, I would suggest you take the 3 most prominent colors in that costume to use for your eye look. You know, you can use other colors. You could even use the most subtle colors in your costume, so you're not that matchy-matchy. It all depends on your preference. In terms of recommendations for eyeshadows and stuff like that, seeing that you're doing your own makeup, why not try Juvia's? Juvia's has a lot of colorful palettes from which to use, and this one here is ColourPop. ColourPop has some really awesome colors as well. The more brushes you have, the more pigmented and detailed your look is going to be. So for me, I like to start with the bigger brushes and then work my way down to smaller, fluffier brushes. That's just me personally, you know. So I am gonna start with a transition shade. Yeah, I'm gonna start with a transition shade. I'm just taking, this is one of the ColourPop mattes, and I'm just packing it in there. And depending on what look you go for, you could either do a smoky look or cut crease. It all depends on what you're comfortable with. You know, a more orangey shade like this one here, and start pushing that into the upper top and start blending. So the next brush, even tinier than what we used, and I'm gonna jump and skip a couple shades ahead and use this very deep chocolatey matte closer to my crease. I like to take my lip brush which you can see here, which is a flat shader brush, and taking the same ambrosia eye effects, and I like to take a little bit of it on the back side and just do this. And do this to my eye to see where we need to cut that crease. Okay, so now we have our base on to try the cut crease. Now is here where we attempt some color. So for me personally, I like to start with the center, then blend the edges, and then go on the inside. So for me today, I'm feeling kinda on the green side. So I am going to dig into my Dupe's palette, you know. So this is a festival palette and this is ABBA, and I'm going to use ABBA first. And I do like wetting them and zesting them a little bit just to get that extra pow effect, you know. So you could use Max Fix Plus or any, or even Club Soda, and we just packing it on the lid. I like to take another flat shader brush and again repeat the same process. A different brush for a different color, right? That prevents things getting muddied and turning into one big mess, you know. The ever so popular Zulu palette, and I am going to use this shimmery turquoise shade. I love to use the shimmers on the lid, to be honest. Lids to be, see, and it's just ever so slightly lighter than, and what I'm doing, I'm kind of like overlapping the two because I want that overlap effect there. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the next one, right? This is how you more or less ensure that you get back your colors, and then you make sure you blend it. I'm going in with the blue in the Color Pop. I think this came from the Ma palette, if I'm not mistaken. And again, I'm going to use another flat shader brush. Are we keeping track on how many brushes we are using, guys? And we're going in with this. This one is more matte, matte. So we want to keep that on the edge here. This shade in the Saharan 2 palette in Dupe's, you know. And I am gonna take the tiniest of brushes. This is how tiny we're going. We're going real tiny, right? And we're going to again zest. Do you zest a brush? Well, missed it. And we're going in with this, and this is a duochrome green, which is what I like the most about this shade. We want it to, so I'm going to use Marie Beauty's Glow Up highlighter. I'm just going to take a fluffy brush. I am going to zhuzh this up again. Sorry, that is my word, zhuzh. Alright. And I don't usually highlight with a highlighter under the brow bone, but because it's Carnival, you know, we're going all out. They just wipe away whatever excess. Use the tape as my cheat sheet for doing a wing because I suck at doing a wing. Alright, now I have put on my foundation and I am cooking under my eye, well, my face where I apply concealer. I could go very monochromatic with this look and go with blue underneath, but again, it's Carnival time. We want to add a little color here and there, so I am going on the opposite end and I'm going to use the this pink lip liner because I don't have a pink eyeliner, and this is one of the Wet n Wild ones. This is in the shade Pink Electro, so this is supposed to be like a Bobby pink. Alright, Bobby pink, and I am going to run this along my waterline. I don't want to go with black underneath because I don't want to close up my eye too much. I'm going in with a pink, a corresponding pink. This one here, this is Erija from the Festival palette, and I am going to run this and basically set under my eye. This one I got from Mariposa, and it has multiples in it. Or you can go very like wispy, you know, with the demi wispies from Adele. I got these in Wonderful World, you know. Or you can, you know, really like punch it up a notch with these. Or even this. I got this from Wonderful World. This is Kiss. This is a double layer stack. I want something wispy, but again very dramatic. So I'm going to use these, right? And I'm going to gently take it out of its casing. And tip, don't throw away the casing, keep it, because you want to keep it so when you take them off you can put them back and reshape the lash. So I'm just going to measure to see. You see, you're still seeing the colors. The lash is there, but you're still seeing the colors. So I am just going to like trim this lash a little bit because the band is a little long, and I'm gonna pop this bad boy on. Okay, so this here now is the completed look in terms of makeup. Next week I am gonna feature, you know, cute little ways we can accessorize this look to make it like carnival, you know, whether it be we use cute little gem situations like these, or we use cute little accessories like these, you know, just to like zhuzh it up a bit, because again, you know, it's all about, you know, enhancing and using certain things to enhance a look, to give it that extra power for carnival. So thank you for watching. Please take part in our challenge. You know, I want to give back to you guys, and basically you have to be a member in the beauty chat room group. Use the hashtag beauty chat room takes the Savannah Grass 2019, and I would like it very much if you subscribe to my channel. Please show your girl some love, you know, it would help me out significantly, right? And yeah, I think that's about it. So yeah, so we're just doing the eye look more or less today, right? We will do other things to the eye look to enhance it, but that's in another video. That's in the part 2, episode 2 of this series. So thank you so very much for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe and take part in the challenge, and until next time, bye.